Hey good people, Nails by Ra here, back with another tutorial. I call this one Sunkissed Chrome. We are using Glam and Glits, Creative Chrome, as well as Aora H6 hologram. I'm going in with the dehydrator just to dry out the nail plate. I've already roughed up the nail plate and gotten any shine off. We're going to also make sure that we're walking the base toward the cuticle. We do that to avoid bulky looking nails. We are using Glam and Glits Sunkissed Glow. These are special requested birthday nails from the birthday girl. We created this design to celebrate. My client had been wanting chrome nails for a long time, and I just never had the full chrome powder to do it, but this time I do. I'm so excited for you to see the finished product. It's so cute. But here we are going to do the same thing with the dip powder. Sorry, I went off frame a little bit, but you get the gist. You walk the color towards the cuticle, again, to avoid bulky looking nails. I did have to put tips on her thumb and her pinky on her left hand side. I'll explain later. If your color is sheer like these, it's okay to do 3 dips. That's what we ended up doing here. just to make sure that it had full coverage and it wasn't so transparent. Even though we are covering it with the chrome, I just like a full color, full body nail. We're going in with the 3, the activator, and this just solidifies everything that we did with the 1 and 2 earlier. And now I'm going in, reshaping. We're going to buff the file and smooth out the surface, and we get to make some magic. Now for the magic. I am using a no wipe gel top coat and base coat. This part is important, so please do not skip this. I have found that when you put a base down and then the gel top coat, it sticks a little better. It really is up to the discretion of the nail tech how you want to do this part. However, the gel is important. I don't like wiping afterwards because I feel like, and it could just be me, I feel like it takes away from the effect of the chrome. Again, I could just be tripping, but I really like the no wipe top coat because once you're done and it looks beautiful. You'll see what I'm talking about, but here I am just going in and putting the base down, laying the foundation first, and we're going to cure this for 1 minute. Even though the Gelish machine can do it in 30 seconds, I always do it twice just in case. I know when I do my own nails, I can do 30 seconds, but I find that when I've done a client's nails that it takes 1 minute. I don't know if they're moving their hands around or if they're not all the way in the machine, but I always do 1 minute just as a precaution. I'd rather be safe than sorry. We've made it to my favorite part, the chrome reveal. Again, I've used the unicorn chrome on the middle finger and the hologram chrome on the pinky, the index, and the thumb. At the special request, we left the ring finger plain so that you could still see the color, and I just love it. I fell in love. I was so happy she loved her nails. Enjoy. Oh, but after we do this part, it is important to go back over with the gel to seal in the chrome. If you don't, the chrome will white right back off. I love it. mentioned before, we want to make sure we go back in with the top coat just to seal in any work that we've done, because we are not using the activator, we're not using the number 4 gloss shine over this. I just enjoy how the gel makes everything a little bit more shinier.